Once upon a time, I made a lion roar. He was sleeping in the sunbeams on the old zoo floor. I'd gone to see the park where my papa used to play, and it's called the Arbor Gazing, and it's on the way. East Africa. Down on Gran Comoro Island, where I grew past 4, well, I could swim and fish and snorkel on the ocean floor. And the wind laughed through the trees as if to say, well, here's a child who wants the world to go his way. Oh, in East Africa. Oh, in East Africa. For me, the world turned upside down. Far from my friends, the lions and the dolphins, came this awful sound. Dark shadows, sounds of thunder, raging over me. Came this monster called adrenoleukodystrophy. East Africa. Well, they said, the ones who know it all. They said from now on for you, there will be no more standing tall. So I took my parents' hands, I lifted my head to say, well, I just have to be a hero. No other way. Oh, back to East Africa. Oh, back to East Africa. Oh, back to East Africa. Back to East Africa. East Africa. Come with me, I'm going back. I'm going back to East Africa. I'm going back. I'm going back. Come on, come with me, I'm